This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Helen Arvin. Move right into this beautiful 4-bedroom 2-bathroom home. This one-story home with a split floor plan. The back of the house faces west and all the rear windows are tinted. Sit on the deck or the screened-in porch to watch the beautiful sunsets. Only 42 homes in this development, close to Disney, restaurants and easy access to Turnpike. For more information, review the details below or contact Helen Arvin at 954-693-0100.